Okay, so today we'll see what does it mean by the editable template and why we are using it. But before that, we'll see what does it mean by the simple template. Okay, no, template have two types. First is a static and second one is a editable template. Okay, so template is just simple layout, or we can say it's a markup to create a page. Okay, and to create a page, we knows that what we need a template. Okay, yeah, exactly. So whenever you want to create one page, now I'll show you. Consider this one is your page and you want to create a page. So for creating a page we need one layout. Okay, this is the layout we need, and layout is nothing but we know that it's a template. Okay, when you will use the template, then you are able to create a page. Now I'll show you. Just come here, and here you see this is my sites, and inside these sites I'm just simply creating. I'm just trying to create a page. So when I'm just trying to create a page, that time here it is opening up by default template. So this template has AEM provided. Okay, otherwise you can create your own template. There is not a big deal. Okay, so they have provided, that means this is a template, so we can create a page by using a template only. Okay, this is the thing, and we know that to create a page we need a template. That is nice. Okay, so and the thing is, template defines the structure of the resultant page. So your template will define the structure of the resultant page. So now I'm just creating a page by using this template. So when I will create whatever structure it has present, so this structure will move to your page. So I'll just try to create. Okay, this is the thing. I'll just simply create it. So once I'll create, here you see this test page has created. When I'll open so you will see something inside this page. So all this data from where it is coming, see, you are seeing this title. Yes. Okay, this is nothing but the title, and you will see this parses component. Okay, this is nothing but your container. So this two component is there. So this two component, it is coming from your website. Okay, from your template. So when you will, from this template it is coming. Okay, so it's defined the resultant output. Okay, no, so in your resultant page it will shows this structure, whatever structure it has present inside your editable template. Okay, after that it will associate with the page rendering component. We knows that it is this point is related to a static component. We knows that for creating the page we need a template. So for that we use there one resource type. You know the sling resource type, and by using that we connect this page component and a static component, static page. Is it no? So here we have some association with the page and the template. And as we know that here we have two types of templates, static template and editable template. And today we are discussing about the editable only. But before that we'll see what's the difference between static and the editable. Okay, so static template where we can create. So we'll create a static template inside our CRXD. Is it no? And we'll create manually. Okay, so here when I'm coming in my CRXD, that means I am a developer. What is my role? I am a developer. So static template created by the developer. Only developer can create and modify the template. Got it? And here this is editable template. So editable template, template author is create the editable template. Got it? Who? Template author. So we will not create the template inside this. This is our backend. That means we can say it's a developer part. Okay, and so where we can create, simply come back. Before that, see, I'll tell you, before creating a editable template we simply have to create a folder structure. Got it? Folder structure first of all we have to create. There is no need entire editable template we are creating manually, but static template we are creating manually here in our CRXD. Editable template there is no need. You guys just simply go inside your general. Here we have a configuration browser. Click here. Once you will click, it will give the options. That means you can create your editable template. Okay, so it's not creating the editable template here. When I'm clicking here, and after that I'm just writing one message like test editable template. This is the title. Okay, and I'm just simply creating. So what it has created right now, it's not created a editable template, it has created the folder structure of a editable template. And we knows that whatever we are creating inside the configuration browser, all these things where it will store inside the config folder. So we have to simply come inside our config and you will see. So it's not there test right now, so we have to refresh it. Okay, this is the test editable template, but we have created only this folder, this title we have given, but see we got this the folder structure. Okay, this is because of this configuration browser. So this configuration browser gives you the folder structure. Got it? So we got the editable template now. That is done. That means when I'm just coming here, that means my role is a template author. Okay, and when I am here inside my CRXD, that means I am a developer. So static template created by the developer and editable template created by the template author or the author. Got it? Second thing, developer can add component, okay, which are available on the resultant page after page creation. That means I'll tell you an example. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, now this page we have created by using editable template. Exactly, here is the page information. So whenever you will see this option, that means this page is created by using editable template. Okay, so inside that, say right now I am able to delete this component. Okay, I am able to delete this component, but consider, and here we have this navigation. What is this? If I try to create inside this, I am not able to delete this one. See, if I am clicking here, I can, here also same thing, I cannot delete this title component, okay, or this text component. I cannot delete, but I can delete this one. That means it gives the facility to delete. If you want to delete, you can delete the component, but some essential information is there and you don't want to delete. So these types of component you can also provide. Okay, it's up to you. You can delete the resultant component. Okay, that means this is our resultant page, and inside that here we have a component. So if you want, you can delete, or you don't want it, then you cannot give the options to delete the component. That means in our editable template, the same thing it has said, component can be removed from the pages. Sorry, in a static template we can we remove the pages. Okay, we remove the component, but in our editable template we can or we cannot remove the components. Got it? Easy, no? Okay. And the second thing, here is a in a static we know that it returns the static connection between the pages and the template. That means consider now, here I have 1,000 pages. Okay, this is the 1,000 pages I have, and I have created these 1,000 pages using one static template. Okay, now after that, now client requirement has changed. Now client wants, so like that here consider we have one component. Okay, the one component is there, or you can say something is there. Okay, now one social component is there. Consider social component, and inside that here we have a 3 icons, that is Instagram, WhatsApp and the Facebook. Okay, and clients wants to add the Twitter as well. So if you want to add the Twitter, okay, in this 1,000 pages, okay, so for that we have to change this template. Is it? No? Then it will reflect to this 1,000 pages. Is it? Okay, but it's not like that. I told you static template retain the dynamic connections. So whatever you will create, first of all, the like if you have created this 1,000 pages, that is static. Okay, now you cannot change. So if you are trying to change the static template and you are thinking like this is the 1,000 pages, it will reflect to this 1,000 pages, it won't possible. When you have changed the static template, now you are creating something with the static template, this will change, but that previous already you have created this existing components, it won't change. This pages, it won't change. Okay, no? But same thing with the editable template. Now the same thing, you have a consider 5 pages you have or 1,000 pages you have, it's not matter. Okay, this is the pages we have, and after that this one is my editable template. This is nothing but my editable template, and now I just want to change something. So if you are changing here, all this thing will reflect inside your 5 pages. So this is called as the dynamic relationship between your pages and your template, and this is called as a static relationship. So it retains the static connection between the pages and the template in static, but in a editable we cannot retain the it has a dynamic connection. Got it? And at the last we'll see this one as well, no? Okay, we know that when we have used the static template, that there we have one design node inside our parsist. How we can give the permission in our static node? Come here, where is our static node? We have created somewhere, no? Yeah, somewhere this one is our static page, I think. Is it? Just try to open it. Okay, so once I have opened this static page, okay, and if I am going inside this design, see now what I am doing, I just want to add the components. Okay, so where it will store all the design, if I want to add something, parent we have, here we have a configuration. So once I have click on this configuration, you will see it has storing all this information to this parsist CQ dialog. It has storing all this information to this parsist dialog, or you can say it has storing this permission related information to this design mode. The same thing it is saying here, no? The static template use design node to store the template level properties and other configuration. That is the thing, design node it is using. Okay, but in our editable template we will use a policy. Okay, and we have already seen policies. Come here, and this is nothing but our policies. Got it? It's easy only. So if you want to give the permission to a particular component, you can click on this button, that is policy. You can just simply click on here and you can just simply give the permission. Okay, I just want to give the permission this adaptive image only. You can just simply select, and this permission has applied now. This is the thing. Got it?
It is only available in editable.
Exactly. It will only available in a editable templates only. It's not available in your static template. Now we know that we have created the folder in a configuration browser. If you want to create an editable template, you can just simply go inside your configuration browser and just simply create a folder. So it will create only the folder structure for your editable template. Okay, but now if I am going inside my editable template, now see templates, it's nothing there. Okay, inside this policy nothing is there, and inside this editable template type we have this only this template type related information it has stored inside this, but we don't have this templates. Now we want to create a template, editable template. I just want to create. How I can create it? For creating a editable template, you need a template type first. After that, by using this template type, we can simply create the editable template. Okay, and by using this editable template, what we can create? Pages. This is our main goal, no? So first of all, what we have to create? Template type. If you want, you can create, but Adobe already provided 2 editable templates. Okay, now I'll show you. Just come here. What I want, I just want to create a editable templates. Okay, no, for that I'm just going back. Come here, tools, this is the general, and you will see here we have options of the templates. Here we have created the folder structure for this template. Now we are creating a templates here. Just click there. What is the folder structure we have created? Test editable template something, this one, go inside that. Try to create. See, again I am just telling where I am right now. Editable, yeah, test editable template. Now I am just going there. See, but inside that we know that what we are trying to create now, template. But for creating a template, what we need? Template type we need. Okay, but right now we don't have any template inside this, it's not there, no. But still, if I'm going there, no, and if I try to create a template, see this is nothing but the template type. Template type we don't have inside this, but still that two template type it has coming. So from where it has coming, this is called as a template type resolution. Okay, so whenever see, so first of all your sling, we know that who will execute all these stuffs, sling only. So if first of all it will see inside this, that means here it will see. So here we don't have a editable template. If it is not there, then it will search inside this config only. Okay, config have one global. See, somewhere we have the global. Inside this global setting we have, and inside this setting we don't have this WCM. That means it won't go inside this. Now third step, it will search inside your apps. You will get confused. Let me. Yeah, this is the thing. This is called a template type resolution. First of all, it will search in your own, that means in your project, your current folders. Okay, later that if it is not find out, then it will search inside your global. We have seen there, but we don't have a WCM. So now we have to move to the third part, and that is apps. So apps have a setting. Everywhere you will see the setting. Okay, no. So maybe here we have a setting somewhere. See where it is? Yeah, this one. Inside the setting you will see the WCM. WCM you will see the template types. But inside that we don't have a template type. It has a policy only, and we know that here this will store the information related to your template types. Here we also don't have. Now we have to go at the last. So libs, this is the libs. Libs have settings. Somewhere setting is there, and setting have a WCM, and WCM have a template types. Okay, yeah. Here this HTML5 page and the adaptive form page, two template type, it's here. Okay, see here. Simply come here, where it is, where we are trying to create. Yeah, here. What is this? This one is our title. This one is our title. Okay, and this one is our description. Now just you can just simply come here. We'll see the HTML file first. Click here, and all this information we know that it will store inside our JCR content. So click here, and you will see the title. What is title? HTML5 page. Come here, and here you see. What is description? See, template for HTML content. See. Yeah, after that what we have? Adaptive form. Okay, so just come here, JCR title, and you will see the adaptive form templates. Come here and see adaptive form templates, the same thing. Okay, if you want, you can create your editable template. You can just simply do one thing, copy from here. You can just simply copy, and where you want, you want inside your config. Where is your config, by the way? But here is your config, no? Okay, come here, and you can just simply paste it. You can just simply paste here. Okay, and some of the things you have to rename it. Once you will rename, you will get this one. So first thing we have to, this is the initial. Okay, see inside your template type, you will see these three things. First of all, initial. Second thing is the policies. Third one is the structure, and fourth one is a thumbnail. You will see the fourth thing. Okay, and this is the initial, and inside the initial just click here, and you will see here sling resource type. So this page we don't want. You can change your own page. Okay, so we knows that page, that means for executing this all these steps we need a page only. Okay, no, otherwise you can't see this one. So you just have to go inside your apps. Which one we have developed day before, yesterday, this holiday project only, no? Go there, component, we need a page. Just copy, simply copy this one, come at down, where it is, come here, JCR content, and instead of that you can just write your own. Okay, remove this one. Okay, like that way we have to do it for the structure as well. Okay, these two things this this initial and this structure you will see in the page. I'll tell you later. The same thing we have to write here as well. Then save the changes. It has inside this. Let it be like that way. We will create the editable template. Okay, no. But the thing is, now we already have this template, no. Okay, so come here and just refresh it one. Okay, adaptive form we have. Okay, but we already have this template. Okay, so we just simply take this template, click on it, and just simply next. Okay, no. So what we are doing, we are taking the out of the box template type, and by using that we are creating a editable template. So here we have to write the title, editable test, editable template, hit enter. Okay, just simply done. Now our editable template has created. See, right now your editable template is in draft state, so you have to enable it. Here we have one option, that is enable. See, so sometimes no, you will use this one in your page, okay, but it won't available. So that's maybe the reason is your AEM is in your editable template is in draft state, so we have to enable it. Okay, that means before that it was a deactive, we have enable. Okay, click here and just simply open it. Okay, so here what I have done, instead of I think something wrong with our this template, so that's why I have created this component. That means this editable template I have created by using HTML5. So once I have created, and I have insert one image component, and inside that I have insert the content. Okay, so but I haven't unlocked it. See, you can click here. This is the lock button is there. I haven't unlocked. That means if I'm using this one now in my page, so you will see this content, but you are unable to change it. Okay, just try. Come here and create, and here we have options of page. Yeah, this is the thing. Create it and name it. So right now I'm just name it English. Okay, so this thing I have created, just simply try to open it. If everything good, you will see the image, and this is the image we got it. But if I try to click on this image, I can't get any delete option. See why? Because of we haven't unlocked it. And now I'll tell you, it returns the dynamic connection between the editable template and the page. Okay, so already we have created this page. Now I'm just going inside my editable template. Okay, now I'm just clicking it and I'm just simply unlocking. Unlock it. Once you unlock, now you will see this content inside your init. Okay, got it? It's done now. Now just come here inside your English page and just try to refresh it. Okay, so here we don't have any content, but the thing is, now we are able to access it, these things. Okay, now we are able to access the this image. Okay, the simple, if you want to access this image, you can easily access it. Got it? Got it or not? Okay, and again you can just simply give the permission. see, so if it is a container, some main container must be there inside your structure. Okay, here one layout must be there, where it is, yeah, this one. Inside that you can just simply give the permission to a particular component. So we have already given the permission. Okay, so these are the permissions only, just add some of the things here, so the same thing will reflect there as well. Okay, so when you will unlock that content, it won't be stay, it will go. Okay, and you will see the this both images here. Yeah, and you are able to add the contents here. Okay, no?